Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. What we're going to tackle now is the disassembly of the direct clutch assembly or sub-assembly. Alright, pretty much this here is also where your reverse band rides. And inside what we have is we have a clutch pack, we have a snap ring, and we have a piston, and we have some more springs in here. So let's get started again with my nemesis, the good old snap ring. Move you over here a little bit. Move you up a little bit, and hopefully my fat head fingers won't get in the way. So that's not really a screwdriver. Yeah, that is a screwdriver I wanted. There we go. Had to get a grip on it. Okay. Snap ring. We'll set that right there. And now, this whole clutch pack should be able to come right out. Okay? And again, we have the fat spacer. We have one friction disc, one steel, two friction discs, two steel. What else we got in here? How much more do we have? Let's see what we got. Okay. This is what we have. Fat spacer. 1, 2, 3 friction clutches, friction discs, and 3 steel. 4. 1, 2. No, I was right. 3 frictions, 3 steels, and a spacer. Yeah, I'll get it right someday. Yeah, probably not. Alright, now, here's the dilemma that I have. That piston. There's another snap ring in here that needs to come out, and this is under pressure. It's too much pressure for my hands. I can't push it in. Really don't have anything that I could clamp on it. So let me show you the solution that I wish I could take credit for, but I saw it in another video. And I'll show that to you in just a second. What I'm going to do though is right now, so everything's not slipping around, I'm going to take a second and clean this out. And so I'm going to pause this for just a second while I clean everything. Okay. Now, like I said, I don't have a press or anything here. That's a little bit too difficult. Too heavy to try to press in by brute force with my hands. And so watching another video, I made a homemade press. This will be the first time I'm using it. It's very simple. 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood, 3 5/16 carriage bolts, 6 of these big washers, piece of 5/16 threaded rod, another washer, another washer, 2 nuts, 3, 4, 5 nuts, six washers altogether, and a wing nut. And how this works, you know, sorry, as you can see, I didn't bother making this level on the bottom, recessing that, because I got a hole in my workbench. So we're gonna set that there. I'm gonna set this on top, center it as best I can. Set this over it. Check the legs, which is the screw here. See, I can get it fairly well level. And they're sitting right, the way these are spaced, there are 9 springs in here. 3 sets of 3. These are pretty much sitting on the center spring of each. Okay, now, put the other big flat washer on, and I probably could have cut this, well yes, I definitely could have cut this threaded rod down quite a bit, and just in case my fingers aren't strong enough, I got another bolt to go on here that I can use a wrench on. Alright, once I get that down to the bottom, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, we're back. We're going to give this a shot for the very first time. Yeah. Well, yeah, it's working, but again, I don't know what the hell these guys, they must be eating their Wheaties, can't be married, because I'll tell you what, I can't turn this stuff by hand with just my fingers. Okay, that's definitely compressed enough that I can get the snap ring pliers in here. Come on. Spread the snap ring. Work it around 2 bolts. Okay. And now we just release it. God, I love those guys. I mean, yeah. How the hell? Alright, and as you can see, now it's loose. Now my dainty, girly fingers can unscrew that wing nut, which, again, I really should cut this down. So I'll bring you back when I get ready to take it apart. Alright, cut the wing nut off. Pull that off, set it to the side. Fold that out, take this off, set it to the side. Wing nut. Put this together out of the way so I don't lose any of these other pieces. There we go. And so now, let's see if I can get y'all a bird's eye view or not. Let's try moving this. There we go. There we go. Alright. So now what we have in here is we have this cover. Whew. Alright. And then we have 9 springs. 1, 2, 3. And if you see, they're in groups of 3. See? Yeah. 3. And there's all these little tabs on the bottom that they sit on. So you have a group of 3, 2 empties, a group of 3, 2 empties, a group of 3, 2 empties. And then pull these springs out. Set them there for the moment. And kind of. Am I missing one? Oh, of course I am. No, I'm not. Nope. It's just a little sticky spot. There we go. There's your piston. It comes out. All that just because I want to make sure I replace this one seal on it. Other than that, I really wouldn't have gone through the bother, but I guess it's the right thing to do. So that's that. Alright, I'm gonna go clean this up, and then we'll do the assembly.